Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss how to start an online business without leaving your current job. I will provide you with a detailed action plan with examples to help you start your online business while still working. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your business idea and market niche. Reflect on your interests and skills to find a business idea that you are passionate about. Research different niche markets online that have growth potential. Example: if you are passionate about graphic design, you might consider offering design services for small businesses. Step 2. Market research and validation of the idea. Analyze the demand and competition in your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends and social media groups to gauge interest in your idea. Get feedback from your target audience to validate your value proposition. Example: if there is a high demand for graphic design services in your area, and you find interest in online groups, that is a positive sign to move on. Step 3. Define your action plan and set realistic goals. Create a detailed plan that includes the steps necessary to launch your online business. Set realistic goals and a schedule of activities that you can stick to while working at your current job. Example: you can set the goal of launching your website and having the first customers in the next 3 months. Assigning specific hours during the week to work on your business. Step 4. Build your online presence gradually. Create a website or social media page to feature your services or products. Start generating valuable content for your audience, such as blogs, videos, or social media posts. Take advantage of the hours outside of work to gradually build your online presence. Example: you can spend an hour or 2 after work to work on your website, create content, and promote it on social networks. Step 5. Establish relationships and network. Connect with people in your industry through social media, online groups, or related events. Participate in relevant conversations, and share your knowledge to build a reputation in your field. Establish strategic collaborations and look for growth opportunities. Example: you can join groups of entrepreneurs online and attend events or conferences to establish valuable contacts. Step 6. Manage your time and balance your responsibilities. Create a realistic schedule that allows you to dedicate time to both your current job and your online business. Prioritize tasks and delegate when necessary to optimize your time. Maintain a healthy balance between work, business, and your personal life. Example: you can use time management tools like calendars and to-do lists to organize your day and maximize your productivity. Step 7. Monetization and growth. Explore different ways to monetize your online business, such as selling products or services, creating online courses, or affiliating with related brands. Measure and analyze your results to identify opportunities for improvement and expansion. Example: if you have a fitness business, you can monetize it by offering personalized training programs, fitness-related products, or by collaborating with sportswear brands. There you got it. A detailed action plan to start an online business without leaving your current job. Remember that this will require discipline, organization, and determination to balance both responsibilities. As you progress, constantly evaluate your progress and make adjustments as necessary. Don't get discouraged and keep going with your entrepreneurial dream. Now, if you want more help, I must ask you these questions first. Are you ready for an opportunity that will change your life? Are you tired of the daily grind of your 9-to-5 job? Do you want to make a difference and have the financial freedom to live the life you have always dreamed of? If so, I have an opportunity that could change your life. I present to you the company that is breaking records with products that change lives, an innovative marketing system, and a huge compensation plan. This is the most powerful system in the industry, and it is changing lives every day. Take the free tour today and experience the difference for yourself. Find out why our products sell themselves, and our compensation plan is so generous. Get a head start on building your team, and start seeing life-changing results. Like you, I too was once stuck in a dead-end job and feeling unfulfilled. But since joining this company, I have increased my passive income tremendously, achieved financial freedom, and lived the life I have always dreamed of. And I want to help others to do the same. If you're ready to break free from the daily grind and achieve your biggest dreams, Then join me for this life-changing opportunity. Take the first step and register completely free in the link in the description. And start your online business today. With the right time and effort, you can be successful in your online business while continuing to work at your current job. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.